Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new mock military video, today with the Ohio class SSBN from United States of America. So welcome back to the channel with a new edition of my 1-2-300 scale Navy collection. Here you can see all of them with the underwater hull and stand and without. They are the same ships with the hull and without it. This one is the Ohio class that we will check today. In the middle, if you want to say in terms of size, while we have smaller subs, larger ships, much larger ships like the aircraft carrier, but it's not what we want to check today. Today we want to concentrate on the Ohio class. This is probably one of the best designs I made so far. The scale is not so small but not so large either. I think it's the perfect balance for a good amount of functionalities and details, and the size that is not too large so you don't need so much space to display them, and also the number of parts is not so high so it's cheaper compared to larger scales. For this specific submarine we don't have so much to check, so the video review will be quite fast. I just want to show you a few details here and there. Before starting, the usual reminders: check the caption of the video to find all the links you may need for the instructions, the parts, the full set, playlist with my all other creations like the ships I have shown you before. So check the caption of the video, and now we can start reviewing the submarine. Again, there is not so much to show, but what I want to let you notice first is here we have this little sub that can be disconnected. If you don't like it, you can not use it. You can connect it also somewhere else, like here on the back, or even here. So we have more connecting points. Then we have some extra parts. These parts are needed in case, like me, you don't like the stands and you want to display the submarine without them. You can disconnect the stands, and also here these 4 parts can be removed. In the instructions, don't worry, is explained which step you have to replace. And then you can cover what we have here, and we have it without the stands. I think it's pretty fast solution this way. Here we have, as moving parts, only the launching tubes for the nuclear missiles. We have 10 for each row with a total of 20 launch tubes. The earlier version of the Ohio submarines had 12 per row with a total of 24 launching tubes, but because of regulations and conventions they reduced the total number to 10. But inside the submarine we have a lot of space, empty space, because it's made with Lego, there is nothing inside. So if you are nostalgic and want the earlier version of it, you can add as many as you want, even more than the real one. So I think you can fit up to 30 missiles in total, maybe even more. In this case, again, we have 24. The launching tubes can be opened, all of them, like this. Now I opened 3 of them, and inside we have the missiles. Now these are the Trident missiles. The color is the one you can find for the Trident 2 version, that is the latest one. But again, if you want to change the colors to the previous versions that they were mostly in white, these parts are available also in that color, so will be not a problem. And another thing I wanted to show you here, the sides panel can be removed. Now here on the front you can see we have a lot of empty space that you can fill with 3D printed parts, or you can fill it with bricks like this. So you can fill the empty space with bricks and add some printed stickers that resemble the inside of the submarine. So you can remove the cover and see the inside, even if they are only stickers. Same thing for the back, but for the back here we have at least a brick built the nuclear reactor, and you can fill the other empty space with, again, stickers, printed parts, I don't know. And here again you can see it next to the other Navy vessels I designed until now. Here you can see the Typhoon nuclear missile submarine. For now we have only these two as SSBNs, and that's it. The video is already finished. Let me know what you want to see next in this scale for the Navy category, because we have many ships now, but I want to make more of them. And I'm curious to know, there is something missing that you really like. Which one? Let me know. Remember that I read all your comments and suggestions, so yeah, your suggestion can be my next creation. And as usual, see you again next time with a new project. Bye!